Hi, I'm Maral, a graphic art instructor, and the video you're watching was recorded at Yashil Art Studio. In this video, you'll see the process of creating a floral painting using gouache paint. As you can see, the entire artwork is done with gouache. Gouache is a very affordable and economical medium, and since it's water-based, it's easy and enjoyable to work with. One of its most interesting features is that it's always reactivatable. Even after it dries, you can add water and work on it again. That's why I don't recommend using gouache on canvas. The best surface for this medium is high quality, heavyweight paper. Gouache can be used with many different techniques, and it's especially great for analytical or well-planned drawings. It allows you to cover large areas and create flat, solid colors without visible brush strokes. However, the technique I use in this piece is closer to working with acrylic or oil paint. I don't mix my colors on a palette at all. Instead, the colors are blended directly on the artwork itself. Because of this, the final result is never completely predictable, and that uncertainty is what makes the process more exciting and alive. My process starts with applying a base color, then I build the highlights with lighter tones and the shadows with darker ones. Brush movement is very important. Each stroke follows the natural direction of the petals and leaves, which helps to better express volume, form, and flow. In this piece, I mostly work with color tonalities and used fewer complementary or highly saturated color combinations to maintain harmony and softness. Simple dark outline to enhance the shapes of the leaves and bring the artwork together.